Stress is a normal part of preparing for a big event like exams, such as the upcoming Primary Exit Profile PEP exam and the Caribbean Secondary Education Certificate CSEC. But Associate Clinical Psychologist Kamala McWinney says there can be good stress and bad stress. While good stress motivates the student to be better, bad stress can have a negative mental effect.
So when it is that we're anxious, we're having difficulty concentrating, we are perhaps having nervousness in our bodies, we are perhaps having difficulty breathing, we may be having some random aches and pains, which the doctor said nothing is wrong with you. It could be anxiety that's contributing to that. And a lot of other symptoms, but those are the major physical ones that can come, excuse me. And so that now obviously is not going to create a good space for you to prepare and to study. So as a parent, guardian, aunt, educator, if you see a child or if you see the children kind of being very avoidant of the studies.
Ms. McWinney says if teachers see these signs in students, they should have a conversation with the students about the issues affecting them. In addition, Ms. McWinney says parents too have a role to play at home.
Sit with them and ask them to make their own plan. What do you need to show up in the best way for these exams? Do you have all your pens? Do you have all your notes? Who do you need to call, right? And especially leading up to exam time, what kind of routine are we on? Look at the schedule with them, right? Have a clear plan of how much time do I have left to prepare for this? How much time do I have between exams? And then, on the actual days, do I have all my pens, my pencils? Did I get enough sleep? So organizing is a big piece of it.
Ms. McWinney also encourages students to relax, take breaks in between studying, and reward him or herself where necessary.
Especially after exams, I want to encourage everybody to take a breath. I know that for me, when I was in school, I love to go over the paper to see what I think I got wrong. That can be very, very stressful. So I would say as much as possible, try to let it go. It's already gone. And especially at home, create a space of, de-stressing, especially after exams. And as much as possible, parents and guardians, don't put too much pressure on them in terms of you better pass, you better or else my money waste or that type of thing, because that only creates undue pressure ahead of the next set of exams.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.